For years, we used software like this. Open app, click buttons, search files, repeat. But that model is starting to change. Because the next big shift in AI is not just smarter chatbots, it is something much bigger. AI operating systems. Not software you operate step by step, but software that increasingly helps work happen around your intent. In this video, you get to know what an AI operating system really means, how it differs from a traditional operating system, the core foundations behind it, where it is already showing up in the real world, and where this is heading next. And I'll do it in a way that still makes sense even when technology evolves. First, a quick truth. AI operating system is not one universal official product category, it is a powerful way to describe a shift. A traditional operating system manages hardware, files, apps, permissions, and processes. An AI operating system adds another layer. It helps manage intent, context, tools, and actions. So instead of only helping you run software, it starts helping software run for you. That is the big change. This is where the idea becomes really clear. A traditional operating system is centered on hardware and applications. A personal AI operating system is centered on you, your goals, your context, your preferences, your workflows. Here is the difference. A traditional OS focuses on files, windows, folders, settings, and launching apps. A personal AI OS focuses on intent, memory, context, tool use, and goal completion. Traditional software is mostly reactive. You click, it responds. A personal AI system aims to be more proactive. You express what you want, and the system helps break that into actions. Traditional OS memory is basically file storage. Personal AI OS memory is contextual. Your documents, habits, conversations, priorities, and working patterns within whatever permissions and privacy rules apply. Traditional OS does not learn much about how you work. A personal AI layer is increasingly designed to adapt. So the simplest way to say it is this. A traditional OS helps you navigate software. A personal AI OS tries to help software navigate your intent. Apple explicitly describes Apple Intelligence as a personal intelligence system integrated into core devices with on-device processing and private cloud compute for more complex requests. Now let's break the whole stack into 6 simple layers. Layer 1. Intelligence. This is the model. The reasoning engine that interprets requests and decides what to do next. Layer 2. Context and memory. This is where the system accesses your files, documents, business knowledge, instructions, and prior state. Layer 3. Tools and actions. This is where AI stops being just chat. It can search, retrieve files, run code, call tools, or interact with software. Layer 4. Orchestration. This layer decides how work flows. One model, one agent with tools, multiple specialized agents. This is the coordination layer. Layer 5. Interface. Chat, voice, IDE, browser, CRM, inbox, dashboards. Wherever the AI meets the user. Layer 6. Governance and observability. Permissions, tracing, approvals, policy controls, and auditability. Without that last layer, AI may feel exciting, but it does not become dependable. OpenAI's official docs describe agent-like applications with built-in tools and remote MCP support, while MCP is described by Anthropic as an open standard for connecting AI applications to external systems. Right now, AI is shifting from answer engines to work systems. That means the flow is no longer just prompt in, answer out. Now the flow looks more like this. Understand the goal, retrieve context, use tools, take actions, return results, and involve a human when needed. That is why this topic matters. Because real work is rarely one step. Real work usually means find information, compare it, summarize it, make a decision, update a system, notify someone, and keep a record. Microsoft says Copilot agents can streamline business processes, retrieve information, summarize data, and take actions like sending emails or updating records. This shift is already visible in major ecosystems. OpenAI is building around agent-like applications that can use tools like web search, file search, computer use, and MCP-connected systems. Microsoft is embedding AI agents into Microsoft 365 workflows, where they can connect organizational knowledge with actual business actions. Apple is pushing a privacy-centered personal intelligence layer integrated into device experiences. And the open standards side matters too. MCP is gaining importance because AI becomes far more useful when it can securely connect to external tools and data sources, instead of staying trapped inside one interface. These are not all the same product, but they are moving in the same direction, from isolated AI features to coordinated intelligent systems. So where is this heading? First, more personal AI layers. Not just one chatbot tab, but AI woven into the way you work across devices and apps. Second, more interoperability. The systems that win will connect context, tools, and workflows more smoothly. Third, more local and privacy-sensitive AI. Especially for personal and enterprise use, privacy and control will matter more, not less. Fourth, more action-taking agents. The future AI system will not just answer what you ask, it will increasingly help execute the work. And fifth, more human oversight at key decision points. As AI becomes more capable, trust and control become even more important. Apple emphasizes on-device processing and private cloud compute for privacy, while Microsoft positions agents as part of human-led, agent-operated teams. Now here is the part hype videos usually skip. More AI is not automatically better. More agents can also mean more latency, more cost, more coordination problems, and more chances for failure. So the future is not turn everything into 10 agents. The real future is smarter architecture. Use the simplest AI system that can reliably solve the problem. That principle will stay relevant no matter how advanced models become. So here is the core idea to remember. A traditional operating system helps you manage apps, files, and devices. A personal AI operating system adds something new. It helps manage intent, context, tools, and actions around your goals. That is why this matters. Because the next era of computing may not be defined only by the apps you open, but by the intelligent systems that quietly coordinate work around you. That is the real meaning of an AI operating system. Subscribe if you want AI explained beyond hype, with the real systems, real shifts, and real future of how technology will actually work.